introduce to you our Gawad Parangal awardee. From Barangay Poblacion, we celebrate a name that has become synonymous with laughter, joy, and Filipino entertainment. We have Mr. Walter James Wally Bayola. From humble beginnings to national prominence, he has captivated audiences as a television host, comedian, and actor. Since joining Itbulaga in 2000, he has evolved into one of the country's most beloved entertainers through iconic characters such as Lola Nidora, Nanay Nunal, Chiska, and Steve Harvey. And as part of the celebrated trio Jowa Pao, he has brought humor that resonates deeply with the Filipino spirit. Permita po siyang inaabangan. Saro na po ako duman. Tonight, we proudly recognize his extraordinary contributions as he receives the Most Outstanding Media Personality Award, a tribute to a career that continues to inspire laughter and pride, especially in the community where his story began. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, our honoree, Mr. Walter James Wally Bayola.
Thank you.